railways, aircrafts, coffee machines, oil pipelines, submarines, and the other machines. The safety of all these are guaranteed by static and dynamic sealing devices, in other words, gaskets. The process needed to produce a gasket requires a highly meticulous approach and uses superior elastomeric. In God's own country, Kerala, there is a leading molding industry, Sachindra Rubber Plus. Since 1972, adaptability to the diversities of markets combined with specific client demands, Rubber Plus has gained the essential experience to supply top quality products in this sector. Tooling. The first step in manufacturing gasket is selecting the correct tool. Sachindra Rubber Plus holds thousands of dies for molding standard-sized products which are stored in racking, all ready to use at a moment's notice. Each die is comprised of two halves, a top and a bottom. If the product required is a custom size, the new mold tools are designed and manufactured in-house. The product mold is cut from steel blanks using high-precision lathe. This greatly reduces the time it takes to get the product into production. Milling. Correct material selection is key to zeal performance. Elastomers derive their performance characteristics from the ingredients and additives that are in them. Each material grade is unique based on the combination and amount of each ingredient used. Fillers, additives, and other ingredients are mixed into the elastomer material. Using a milling machine, the material is repeatedly passed between two metal rollers to disperse the ingredients evenly. Elastomer material arrives to the next stage as a sheet which is cut into strips and it is inserted into an extruder. Once inside, the material is heated up to reduce its viscosity and then forced through a die which produces lengths of cord. The size of the die aperture is carefully selected based on the finished measurements of the required product. Molding. During the molding stage, the cord is cut to the size and placed into one half of the heated mold tools, which is fixed to the two plates of the press. When the two halves of the tools close, the elastomer material is molded into the corresponding shape. Temperature and high pressure. It is left in the press for a short length of time to start the curing process. When the press opens, the product is carefully removed from the mold. This technique of manufacturing is called compression molding. Finishing. Once molded, the products have excess material around the sides where the two halves of the mold meet. This is known as flash. In the next stage of production, called finishing, this flash is removed in a number of ways to produce a perfect output. Quality control. The gaskets are now ready for the final stage, quality control. Strict control procedures ensures top quality products, offering the best solution to meet the needs of clients from a variety of sectors such as automotive, shipping, hydraulics, chemical and food processing. Sachindra Process, we mold your dreams.